In 2019, the world generated an incredible 53.6 million tons of e-waste, an average of 7.3 kilograms per capita. Recycling activities are not keeping pace with the global growth of e-waste, and the fate of 80% of e-waste generated is uncertain, leading to significant risks to the environment and to human health. E-waste is just one example of the enormous waste streams of products and components that are now left unutilized. Recycling has always been considered to be the only way to make use of this large amount of waste. There are several possible strategies when thinking about how to close the loop in the circular economy: reuse, repair, and remanufacture. Remanufacturing consists of extending the life of products and components that have reached the end of their use cycle. The old product, also called the core, is then used as the basis to make an identical or sometimes improved performance new product. Remanufacturing is an important strategy of the circular economy, an approach that highlights value regeneration loops. In other words, remanufacturing recaptures the value-added component of a product, leading to additional useful lives rather than being incinerated, landfilled, or destroyed in the recycling process. Remanufacturing does not only concern electrical products. A large number of products are currently being remanufactured in various sectors, such as mechanical industry, consumer products, aeronautics, medical devices, buildings, and renewable energy sectors. How does remanufacturing work? It is a process that involves collecting the product from the users, dismantling and cleaning, restoring or replacing any damaged components, recoating or painting, then testing the reassembled product. This process produces a remanufactured product at a level of performance and quality that is identical or even superior to that of an original product. The remanufactured product has an in-use guarantee that is at least equal to that of a new product. What are the advantages of remanufacturing? Remanufacturing offers benefits for the environment, for business, and for the customers. It avoids many of the phases necessary for the manufacture of a new product. It makes it possible to recover all of the materials, especially critical raw materials, using significantly less energy. It yields higher resource efficiency, reduces waste and emissions associated with discarding used products and then producing new ones. In doing so, the value of high-tech or high-value components is better preserved as a whole, rather than as a collection of various parts. It facilitates higher profit margins, creates skilled and local jobs, and leads to improved customer relationships. For customers, it offers a competitive price, 20 to 40% lower than the price of an original new product, and a higher availability with no compromise on quality. What is the current situation of remanufacturing? In Europe, only 2% of products are remanufactured today, a share that can be increased significantly in the near future. A future scenario foresees the potential to triple the volume of remanufacturing in Europe until 2030, up to about 100 billion euros, creating 500,000 new jobs. How can you apply and develop remanufacturing in your company? You can organize a cared boot camp to support you. The skills and knowledge of companies, particularly SMEs, that practice manufacturing or seek to develop remanufacturing needs to be developed. An educational bootcamp concept for companies that would like to develop and launch remanufacturing activities is now available. Cared Bootcamp is a working session run by professional instructors at the company. It is an intensive novel method in lifelong education and very effective when learning new skills. It is based on the problem-based learning approach, in which the learners are confronted with an open-ended, ill-structured, real-world challenge and work in teams to identify learning needs and develop a viable solution, with instructors acting as facilitators. The Cared Bootcamp addresses companies' training needs when starting remanufacturing. It allows participants to identify their firm's own competence development paths and to design innovative remanufacturing business models. Bootcamp participants represent the key departments linked to the launch of remanufacturing activities, such as business management, manufacturing, R&D, design, marketing, and quality. With the help of the Cared Toolbox, the participants can start to design their company's remanufacturing business. they can identify feasible product in the company's portfolio that is then studied during the bootcamp. They are also able to identify challenges and opportunities for launching the remanufacturing activity in terms of process, product design, and the business model. Furthermore, they are able to identify possible actions that should be implemented in order to overcome shortcomings that could hinder the successful launch of remanufactured products. The bootcamp concept and materials have been developed and evaluated in the CARED project. CARED stands for Catalyse Remanufacturing Through Design Bootcamp. It is an EU EIT Raw Materials lifelong learning project, which involves 4 partners. Find out more about remanufacturing development and the CARED bootcamp opportunities by following this link.